Right, the weather is nice, it's quiet out there, it's sunny, it's calm, good drone flying weather, so I decided to take the dog up there, and I grabbed my wife as well. It's a bit of a spontaneous video, this one, but not too far from where we live. There's a place called Bradbury Clump. It's situated between Highworth and Farringdon, just inside Oxfordshire, so literally it's about a 13-14 mile drive at about 20 to 25 minutes. It's a lovely spot, especially this time of year, because there's lots of bluebells out and you're not allowed to go walking amongst them, so I thought it would be a good idea to actually send my drone up and around the bluebells. Anyway, let's get on with it.
Ice cream.
My goodness me, there's a fight for a parking space. They've all come up here to see the bluebells at Bluebells Wood. You can't get out there, so it's one way of doing it. Just try to crash into any trees. That's probably going to be a bit of a trick, isn't it?
Have you got a camera on it?
Yeah, I'm just filming it now.
Is it forward facing?
Yeah, forward facing camera, yeah. Right, so wherever I go, I always like to give some information, a bit of history, a bit of background to the places where I visit. So this is Bradbury Hill. It's a hill in the civil parish of Great Coxwell, near Farringdon in the English county of Oxfordshire. In 1974, it was transferred from the county of Berkshire over to Oxfordshire. The summit of the hill is the site of an Iron Age hill fort known as Bradbury Camp. It is roughly circular in shape, most of which was levelled early in the 19th century. It has been suggested as a possible site of the 5th or the 6th century battle of Mons Britannicus, where King Arthur defeated the Anglo-Saxons. It is now a wooded area known locally as Bradbury Clump, of roughly 9 acres swathed in bluebells in April and May, and is well frequented by local people of the area. It's great for dog walkers and dog owners. It is now in the care of the National Trust. It is also frequented by mountain boarders and bikers who use the downhill course built into the side of the hill. This is maintained and improved by local mountain board club MEBA with a permission of the Forestry Commission. The location: it is located at grid reference SU 262947 to the west of Farringdon in Oxfordshire, above the village of Great Coxwell. It overlooks the Vale of the White Horse to the south and the Thames Valley to the north. Gotcha. Okay. Do you want me to take a picture of this? I can take a picture with this actually. Let me get it up again. Ooh, it's a bit dusty. Here we go. Right, so that was a accident-free. Okay, it's all in one piece. Accident-free fly through the trees. Lots of them as well. Massive potentiality of a cataclysmic incident. Say again, sir? But glad to say that it's not happening. What's down there? More woods. Do you want to walk down?
Go round,
we can go around. We're going back towards the car now, but yeah, this is a really nice place. You can see there's a carpet. You've seen it already on the video, but I'll just show you again from this perspective. There's a carpet of bluebells, which are more like sort of violets, really, not so much blue. But every single year, this time of year, it gets absolutely chock-a-block up here. I'm going to go home now. That's where the fun begins on the edit suite, and try and make something decent out of something which is pretty raw. Anyway, thanks for watching. Take care, and I shall see you on the next one. Bye for now.